Adding a customer. This video will show an account manager how to add a customer in the account portal. As an account manager, you will be able to manage all customers who have been allocated to your account. Customers are the users of the account. Once set up, they can make and edit their own bookings. View and edit any bookings in the system which have been made by them or for them by an account manager. They have full visibility of any of their past bookings, including a map of the trip taken. Log in to portal.smartmovetaxis.com. Go to User Management and select Create User. Enter the customer details including the name, email and contact phone number. Choose the fleet. Select a layout for the booking form on the portal. The layouts are set up on the Fleet Management website. These can be personalised and you can display company logos if required. Select the authority. This will be customer. Select an initial account for your customer. Some customers need access to multiple accounts. These accounts can be added once you have created the customer profile. Select Create the new user. Now you can add any additional accounts required by selecting Add. Select the account and add any booking rules. There are two ways to restrict account usage. You can set restrictions on the Fleet Management website. When you set a restriction here, it will affect all users of the account. You can also set account restrictions within the portal. These are called booking rules. When you set a booking rule, it only affects an individual customer. Booking rules, therefore, can be customised for each customer. For example, there are no account restrictions set on the Fleet Management website for Physio, Alive or Dinga. However, this particular customer is only authorised to claim $20 per trip taken, and they can claim 100% of the fare up to $20. They also have a monthly limit of $20, which entitles them to one trip per month. The restrictions that can be set for each individual customer include date or time. You are able to limit the day of the week or the times that the customer is able to book and use the account for payment. You can also limit according to specific public holidays. Address. The address restrictions enable you to enforce a specific pickup destination address. You may also choose to only authorise travel between two specific destinations. Overall limits. This enables you to set a total budget for the use of the account or the overall maximum number of trips that a customer may take using the account. Monthly limits. This limit restricts usage on a monthly basis. You can set a monthly budget or a monthly number of trips. You can also choose the monthly rollover date and limit according to the date. Weekly limits. This allows you to set a weekly budget or a weekly number of trips. You are once again able to choose the weekly rollover day and set limits according to this day. Attributes. The attributes rule enables you to select the type of car you require. For example, if you require a wheelchair-enabled car, you would select what in this section. Once this has been done, select Save. Next, you will need to set the password for the customer or use the Reset User Password to send the customer an email to set their own password. You will now see the customer listed under the User Management tab. You can edit their details at any time, but only a fleet manager can delete a user. The account manager can only see customers who have been allocated to the same accounts. If you remove the account from a customer's details, you will not be able to view the details of that user anymore. The customer should now be able to log in using account.smartmovetaxis.com and use their email address and the password which they have just been sent. You can reset a password for a customer at any time by logging into the portal, selecting the customer and choosing the Reset Password option. This will send an email directly to the customer for them to change their password.